How to transfer Toca Boca from Android to iPhone. So if you want to transfer Toca Boca from Android to iPhone, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you've logged in with the same account on both of your Android and your iPhone devices. If the app requires login details like email or password, you need to use the exact same credentials on both phones. Next, you need to check for automatic syncing. Some versions of Toca Boca support built-in cloud backups. So go with the app settings and look for the backup or sync options. If syncing is supported, having the same account on both devices should help carry over your saved data. Now let's talk about the purchases. If you've made in-app purchases on your Android device, then look for the Restore Purchase option in the Toca Boca app. Tap it and then sign in with your Apple ID if prompted. But if your purchases are still not showing up on your device, then you can try the following, which is try rebooting your device and then click on the Restore Purchases again. Tap and sign in with your Apple ID if prompted. This will restore any content you previously bought. If your data or purchases don't automatically show up, then you can contact your Toca Boca support through their app or website. They can help verify your account and assist with syncing any missing items. Keep in mind that not all items or app content may transfer directly between platforms due to differences in how Android and iOS manage app data. Still, using the same login and the restore option usually solves most problems. Or you can also go with the other option, which is automated transfer via Google Backup on your old Android device. You can go with your settings, Google Backup, and then turn on your backup to Google Drive. And make sure your app data is included in the backup, and then open up your Toca Boca world and then go with Shop, Restore Purchases to connect your purchases with your Google account. After that, check your settings, system, and backup, and then confirm. After that, on your new Android device, while setting up the new phone, you need to select Restore from Google Backup and then install Toca Boca World from the Google Play Store using the same Google account. And then open your app and purchases will instantly appear. So that's how you can transfer. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.